Das Sound.
I'm all off, man. Ready. Yeah.
See, I was breezing with a couple of homies up at the park today. The sun was shining, no place to really go, just waiting on the sun to fade.
Fade away, fade away, fade away, fade away.
Chopping it up, taking it easy. Greetings of happy feelings, only see me.
Happy feelings in the air.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and everybody listening across the world, this is a small introduction to the urban legend. Young Uso's well known for our smoking session, but right here, right now, you need to blast mine. I'm about to take you through a Samoan pastime. That's where we break bread, that's where we show love, that's where we get our grub on, man, show love. That's where we pop brews and roll fat dudes. Just call up the crew and tell them we throwin' the barbecue. Cousins, aunties, uncles, and homeboys, everyone's invited, so you know it's gonna be on, boy. Find a spot in the shade and parlay. Shoot the shit with your folks and crack up all day. As long as you relax and everything is okay. Just do as I do and watch your problems fade away.
See, I was breezing with a couple of homies up at the park today. The sun was shining, no place to really go, just waiting on the sun to fade.
Fade away, fade away, fade away, fade away.
Chopping it up, taking it easy. Greetings of happy feelings, only see me.
Happy feelings in the air.
I'm marinating with my relatives, kin folks, close lokes that I consider friends. Until the bitter end, any problems irrelevant. When I'm coasting in slow motion with a bottle hand, barbecuing up again, lounging like it's a holiday. I gotta say, ain't no other way. I'd rather fade away, talking about them younger days. Tossing back a few, blaze a sack or two, run a game of spades, watching Uso straight up just act a fool. Cars thumping and bumping, nothing but cool vibes. Bob Marley or something, keeping the mood right. Kids running around playing the game of tag while the ladies gather together to talk the latest trash. Not a cloud in the sky, I ain't lying. Weather's about 85, the sun shining. Even them gangbangers having a good time. Breezing up in the park, freezing them chalk lines. Picture perfect, it's like today was my birthday. No drama or mishap, so I say it's worth it to live in this circus and learn to cope with it. That's why I'ma be easy and go with it. Soak it all up, any and everything that's happening. Watching the sun fade, laughing and just relaxing. I was breezing with a couple of homies up at the park today. The sun was shining, no place to really go, just waiting on the sun to fade.
Fade away, fade away, fade away, fade away.
Chopping it up, taking it easy. Greetings of happy feelings, only see me.
Happy feelings in the air. With every passing minute.
Tick.
Ooh, so
Tock.
much joy wrapped up in it. Let me tell you now,
Tell 'em, girl.
it's clear as the sky above.
Young Uso's got nothing but love.
Bright as the rays of the sun.
Right.
Cool as the summer breeze. Come fade away and see.
Come fade away with me.
See, I was breezing with a couple of homies up at the park today. The sun was shining, no place to really go, just waiting on the sun to fade.
Fade away, fade away, fade away, fade away.
Chopping it up, taking it easy. Greetings of happy feelings, only see me.
Happy feelings in the air.